So my name is Ivona Lusovic. I'm I'm half German, half Polish, but I grew up in Reading near London, but have been in Wales kind of on and off for the last 12 years. So my partner works for NHS Wales, so that's kind of the Welsh connection. In terms of some fun facts about me, I really like cats. I also like open water swimming, cold water swimming in the winter. I also have knocked over my water bottle, and I like doing Lindy Hop, which is a type of swing dance. So before the apprenticeship, I was actually working as a speech and language therapist. So I was working with young deaf people who have speech and language difficulties, and that was a rewarding job, but it was also quite emotionally taxing at times, and also I'm quite a creative person and was wanted to basically be doing something more creative again. So that was the kind of reason why I was thinking about ways into the film industry. So I'd done a few introductory courses on film. So I did a certificate with the National Film and Television School, where we kind of found out about the different areas within filmmaking, and then I'd done a little bit of practical filmmaking with a studio, Four Corners Studio, and that had kind of given me a taste of filmmaking, I guess, and a sense that this is something that I enjoy and would like to explore more. So in terms of how I found out about the apprenticeship, I don't have a crystal clear memory. I was asked this in my interview actually for the apprenticeship. I don't exactly know, but I think it was that I was signed up to the Screen Alliance Wales newsletter, looking out for kind of opportunities for new entrants to filmmaking, and came across the Skill Cymru apprenticeship on there. And then I looked into it, and I was really attracted to the idea of being able to do a range of different placements across the year, rather than just one placement in one role. Because I'm still, I think I'm interested in sustainability in particular, it would be really great just to get experience across a range of different areas on set. And then also the fact that it's kind of, rather than you having to pay for getting trained, you get a wage, was also a really attractive kind of thing for me. I really found the recruitment process quite straightforward compared to some other schemes I've applied for. So in terms of the application form, it wasn't too long. I've completed forms with 20 different sections, where it feels kind of months of preparation just to kind of submit the form, let alone then preparing for the interview. And then I also really liked the fact that once we submitted the form, I think we were told quite quickly whether or not we got to the next stage, and then also once we'd had the interviews again, it was I think that week or the next week that we found out whether we were going to be offered a place, and that is, I think, not to be kind of taken for granted, being kind of told quite quickly whether or not you've progressed, because often you're kind of hanging around waiting to find out, and then you can't necessarily make other plans. In terms of the interviews themselves, I find interviews quite nerve-wracking. So I'm not gonna, it was a bit nerve-wracking being in a group setting, but I was also really impressed at the kind of questions that we were asked, which I won't, I guess, reveal in case it's the same ones next year. But it felt like the questions were really good at both kind of getting to know us and what our interests are within film, but also not assuming kind of prior experience of being on set. Yeah. So in terms of my expectations for the next 12 months, what I'm really looking forward to is actually just being on a proper kind of film set. So I've been on student film sets. I also kind of co-produced my own like short film with some friends on like a micro budget. But I haven't actually been on a kind of professional film shoot. So sometimes like just when I hear like lingo like the Jenny or the Crafty or whatever it's called, craft table, I'm like, what? So I'm actually really looking forward to just like being on set and kind of both seeing a set in action but also being able to pick up like what that kind of that terminology actually refers to. And I'm also really looking forward to being on a kind of a range of different productions, like both maybe larger and smaller, to get a sense of like the different like mood and what I might be most interested in going into further down the line. And then obviously I'm also hopefully looking forward to getting the qualification at the end of the course. So I actually can't remember what it's called. I think it's a level 3 in creative industry. Claire's laughing, she knows I haven't quite got it right, but I'm looking forward to getting that qualification.